It feels really great. Filmfare is something जो जब आप इस इंडस्ट्री में आते हैं, the biggest pride of having is walking the red carpet of Filmfare. So I feel really great and honored that I've got a chance to walk this red carpet right now.
लेकिन glamour और style कितना important है for a person?
Glamour and style, it is something which is very important. मैं glamour and style को सिर्फ इसमें नहीं कहता हूँ कि classy होना चाहिए. I think it should be massy also because your audience is all massy. आप अपने audience के लिए करते हैं. So right now I feel a little classy because I'm wearing a just costume right now. So I'm really happy and ज़रूरी है कि हमेशा according to the occasion you need to keep dressing up.
But if you get a chance to choose one out of two, one is glamour, second would be stylish, what would you rather prefer personally?
Stylish.
So why?
Stylish because sometimes glamour आप glamorous कपड़े कभी पहन के you don't feel that comfortable wearing it. You won't be that comfortable because this is something you don't wear it regularly. And for me, I like to be a little stylish because जितने आप comfortable हो जो आप पहन रहे हैं, that is much more I can walk with a lot of confidence rather than with a lot of glamour.
So but what if it gets off trendy, but it's not with the trend, but you are trying to be comfortable at the end of the day? So what would you rather?
For me it's all about being comfortable. If right now bell bottoms में अगर समझो मैं comfortable feel कर रहा हूँ, I would rather wear that rather than wearing something which I'm not happy with. So मैं believe करता हूँ कि you need to style according to your own happiness. You should style for happiness. हाँ.
बॉलीवुड में से आप किसे ग्लैमर और स्टाइलिश मानते हैं? एक्ट्रेस और एक्टर?
For me, I think Salman Khan is the most stylish and glamorous person. He is massy, he is classy. He comes in both. So Salman Khan and Deepika Padukone. She's quite classy, and sometimes if she wants to be in in that massy zone too, she does it
but now
quite well.
It's like ek paheli leela.
Yeah.
But after television now you have explored yourself very well in Bollywood also. So how excited are you to working with Sunny Leone and uske baad jo?
Well, I'm very excited. First of all, this is my second film with T-Series, so it feels really great that आज ही मेरा एक और गाना release हुआ है in YouTube and getting some great response. That's with Sunny. I'm singing a romantic song for her, so I'm really happy that T-Series के साथ मेरी दूसरी film and plus doing a film with Sunny is सोने पे सुहागा. So I'm very happy with that.
लेकिन मजा किसमें ज़्यादा आता है, television और movies?
मूवीज़ में ज़्यादा आता है बिकॉज दैट इज़ दैट एम जो हमेशा आप जब आप इस इंडस्ट्री में आते हैं, योर एम इज़ दैट यू वुड वांट टू बी अ बॉलीवुड एक्टर. सो आई एम हैप्पी दैट आई गॉट अ चांस टू प्रूव माई सेल्फ एंड लेट्स सी अब 10 अप्रैल को रिलीज़ हो रही है हाउ इट वर्क्स फॉर मी. वेल, सारे व्यूअर्स को मैं जय भानुशाली हैप्पी होली विश करना चाहूँगा. हैव अ सेफ एंड प्लीज़ वो ऑयल कलर्स के साथ मत खेलना. गो लिटिल ऑर्गेनिक एंड नेचुरल, यूज नेचुरल कलर्स.
How important is for a person to be glamorous and stylish?
Well, I don't think it's important, but I think if you do it with a whole lot of fun, it adds to the fun. We luckily live in Bombay, which is a little casual city, so it's nice to have these events once in a while where you get to feel like a princess. You shouldn't be too obsessed or vain about it. Once in a while, it's really nice to dress up.
Excited for the evening? First of all, let me tell you, looking beautiful.
Thank you. I'm wearing a Shane and Falguni peacock, so I feel like a princess tonight. And like I say to every girl, you don't have to have a prince to feel like a princess.
But if you get a chance to choose one out of two, one would be being glamorous, second would be being stylish. What would another person prefer?
Wow, I like to be stylish.
Why?
I like to be in style, wear the coolest thing. Glamour has a little vanity attached to it. Sometimes style could be just a nice Levi's jeans and a white t-shirt.
Perfect.
Yeah.
What are your holy plans this year?
My holy plans is to go home back to Delhi where my parents stay and eat tons of gujia and namak pare, and that's my plan. Hi, I'm Rashmi Nigam and I wish you all a very happy Holi. Keep it safe and let it be really colorful.
Perfect. Thank you.
I'm wearing Christy Dacuna and Outhouse earrings and a Judith Lieber clutch.
And somewhere there, on your head, there's some flowers.
Those are my own.
Oh. Glamorous and stylish. How important for a person?
I don't know if it's important. If you enjoy it, then it's fun, but no one should force themselves to be anything that they're not.
But if you get a chance to choose one out of two, one would be being glamorous, second would be being stylish, what would you rather be?
I would choose to be timeless.
Why?
Because it's timeless.
Perfect. So, excited for the evening tonight?
Very excited, really looking forward.
श्रुति अगर बात करें बॉलीवुड की तो बॉलीवुड में आप किसे ज़्यादा ग्लैमरस और स्टाइलिश मानते हैं?
आई थिंक सारी हीरोइंस जो हैं बहुत ही खूबसूरत हैं, तो इट्स अनफेयर कि मैं एक का नाम चुनूँ. बहुत ही खूबसूरत है सब, अपने हेयर मेकअप क्लोथ्स इतना ध्यान देते हैं, तो इट्स रियली अनफेयर टू पिक वन.
अच्छा, होली आने वाली है, कुछ प्लान?
आई डोंट लाइक होली बिकॉज वो रंग ना निकलता नहीं, सो इट्स वेरी इरिटेटिंग.
लेकिन आपको बीइंग स्टाइलिश, आपको बॉलीवुड में सबसे ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश कौन लगता है? और इफ यू टेक इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम और इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम लाइक
नो वन रियली नॉट लाइक दैट.
एक्टर?
I think all the men are really handsome, so I can't pick one. It's not fair.
Perfect. Only the holy wishes for the viewers if you don't.
Happy Holi to everyone.
और आपकी वेलकम बैक आने वाली है, तो क्या किस तरह की तैयारी चल रही है उसके लिए?
अभी तक हम शूट कर रहे हैं और आई रियली होप कि ऑडियंस को मज़ा आएगा. बहुत ही एंटरटेनिंग, एक फैमिली एंटरटेनर है. इट्स अ कॉमेडी एंड इट्स पार्ट 2 ऑफ अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल फिल्म, सो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. थैंक यू.
Yeah, I'm very excited. I think it's the first year, so I'm excited to be here, especially after a long time on coming for Filmfare Awards. So I'm very excited.
But how important is for a person to be glamorous and stylish?
I think it's very important to be glamorous and stylish, especially the industry we're in. I've always loved fashion. I started off as a model. I think I'm known for my style and fashion, so I think it's important for everybody. You dress the way you feel comfortable, and then you feel confident. So I think it's a very, very important thing.
But if you get a chance to choose, pick one out of two, one would be being glamorous, second would be being stylish, what would you personally prefer?
To be honest, I think style and glamour go hand in hand. I don't think you could choose one. I think, the more stylish you are, that adds glamour to it. To be glamorous, you need to be stylish. So I think it goes hand in hand.
I've been seeing your pictures with Karishma all across. तो कोई movies के भी plans है आपके साथ में, या फिर कुछ ऐसा भी होने वाला है आगे?
I'm just here to attend the Filmfare Awards. Let's see how it goes. Thank you.
Not like to comment.
Thank you.
Absolutely, I'm very excited for the evening, and I'm here, and let's see what's there in store.
So how do you take it as one of the finest hosts of India? So do you take it as your criticism, praises, how do you take that as?
Am I the finest host? I just got to know that. Thank you so much for the compliment. Well, I never think about that. I just believe in my work. I just like to work, and obviously feels good that friends like you give me this compliment, and I just like to work here. That's about it. So I never think about all this.
But day before yesterday, you rocked the floor somewhere on a musical award function.
Yeah, people were really happy, and I was surprised to see that people were sitting till 1 o'clock in the night. So that's really encouraging. Felt very, very good, and what can I say? Because I don't think too much on stage. I just like to be myself, and I just enjoy myself.
But very excited for the evening tonight.
Absolutely, I'm very excited for the evening, and I'm here, and let's see what's there in store.
So how do you take it as one of the finest hosts of India? So do you take it as your criticism, praises, how do you take that as?
Am I the finest host? I just got to know that. Thank you so much for the compliment. Well, I never think about that. I just believe in my work. I just like to work, and obviously feels good that friends like you give me this compliment, and I just like to work here. That's about it. So I never think about all this.
But day before yesterday, you rocked the floor somewhere on a musical award function.
Yeah, people were really happy, and I was surprised to see that people were sitting till 1 o'clock in the night. So that's really encouraging. Felt very, very good, and what can I say? Because I don't think too much on stage. I just like to be myself, and I just enjoy myself.
But Manish, how important is for a person to be glamorous and stylish?
I totally believe in glamour. I love to dress up well. I like to be a little stylish in life. I think that adds to your personality. For example, let's say if people are witty, people are funny, if they dress up well, they look nice, that adds to their work.
दोनों में से एक चूज करना पड़े, being glamorous or being stylish, तो आप पर्सनली क्या चूज करेंगे?
I think both complement each other. If you're stylish, you add glamour to that. I think if you give me a choice between being witty and being stylish, I think witty is more important for me.
But if I give you one more option, that would be being trendy or being comfortable. What would you?
Comfortable, absolutely comfortable. Yeah.
But
I believe in comfort.
Can I just answer why being comfortable? Not
Yeah, if I wear something trendy which is not making me look comfortable, I think that will keep irritating me for a while, and after some time I won't be myself. So I would hate to do that. I would like to wear something which I'm comfortable in.
But Manish, now you have been explored yourself in all different ways, whether it's been hosting, whether it's been
Yeah.
movies, whether it's been television. So what's next?
I don't know what next.
But there will be something that will tell it.
I think maybe I would like to write a book one day. ये आजकल नया कीड़ा मुझे चढ़ा because I've started reading a lot. I used to read, but I've started reading more nowadays. So the more I read, I feel like one day I should write a book. So let's see.
But Manish, there are pros and cons of everything. And suddenly yesterday also there were news or reports that been published saying that जब Manish Paul hosting कर रहे थे, Arjun Kapoor did not wanted to come on stage to share a stage with that.
Yeah, यार बड़ी बकवास सी न्यूज़ थी ये because I'll tell you honestly, you can ask Arjun. Arjun was very much there with me. I in fact read it somewhere in the paper that I was standing in a corner. I don't know who wrote it. I think he or she should have attended the award night to know the truth. Arjun and me, we are good friends, and I think Arjun quoted saying that he was very much there, and he was never there to host the award night. He was there to present 2 awards, and he did that very nicely, and I think we had a great time on stage.
I'm not going to take much time because last but not least, लेकिन ऐसी सब जब खबरें पब्लिश होती है जो जिसमें कोई फैक्चुअल इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं होती है, तो how do you react on a situation? How do your family react on a situation? Or how do you deal with a situation like this?
We don't react to these things. I think I don't like to react. I like to respond, which is very important. Reactions come very quick. I think I like to respond to these things, but frankly I just avoid these things. It's totally their call. Whatever they want to write, it's their call. It's their work. I still respect them. Yeah, I wish मैं होली पे ज़्यादा कुछ करता. I frankly don't play Holi too much because I feel वो कलर जो लगता है वो निकलता बड़ी मुश्किल है. So that irritates me a little. तो मैं वो ज़्यादा नहीं करता. But yes, we all friends get together. We go to a friend's farmhouse. We just relax, enjoy there. So इस बार भी वही plan है. We all will get together. We'll enjoy Holi. And I would like to wish everybody and their families a very very happy Holi. Play safe and colorful.
Thank you so much for the
Thank you, sir.
What are you wearing?
Thank you. I'm wearing a Namrata Joshipura, and this is supposed to be a jacket dress with a belt.
स्टाइलिश और ग्लैमर में से क्या रहना पसंद करते हो आप, स्टाइलिश या ग्लैमर?
मेरा पर्सनल स्टाइल बहुत ही क्लासिक है और आई प्रेफर कीपिंग इट सिंपल, कीपिंग माई आउटफिट्स एज कंफर्टेबल एज पॉसिबल बट स्टिल ट्राइंग टू मेक अ स्टेटमेंट.
But if you get a chance to pick one out of 2, one would be being glamorous, second would be being stylish. Personally, what would you prefer?
Being stylish.
Why?
I just think it defines a person's personality more, and I also believe that being glamorous can also, like, you can look glamorous wearing a full sleeve t-shirt or like being fully covered, so you don't really have to be glamorous when you show skin, and it's your personal style that defines glamour. Hey guys, this is Kajal Agarwal and I wish all of you a very happy and safe Holi. Thank you.
I think really excited because Filmfare, it's their first year, so we should really push them because I think this award is going to go a long way ahead.
How important is for a person to be stylish and glamorous?
I think आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा stress है on being stylish and on being glamorous but I think at the end of the day clothes ये define नहीं करते, आपकी personality define नहीं करते, आप क्या हो as a person. At the end of the day वो सिर्फ clothes है, वो ये नहीं define करते कि आप क्या हो as a person.
Personally, if you get a chance to choose one out of 2, one would be glamorous, second would be stylish. Personally, what would you prefer?
Glamorous also. I think both maybe being glamorous and stylish.
तो यारिया 2 बन रही है, सब लोग tell us something like यारिया.
I don't know यारिया 2 बन रही है कि नहीं. I'm just making my second film Sanamre right now.
What are your holy plans?
Holy plans, I think to sleep through the morning.
What are your wishes for the viewers here?
A very very happy Holi to all the viewers. Thank you.
Very excited tonight, yeah. I'm a little nervous. My daughter has not been feeling too well, so I didn't want to come out. But क्या करें?
But how important is for a person to be stylish and glamorous?
Yeah, I think that if you go out and you're meeting people, the least you can do is look presentable.
But what about the external beauty that will be through communication apart from being?
Of course, I think it's very important. It shows respect for people when you go out to meet them that you dress decently. You have a bath, you brush your teeth, etc.
But if you get a chance to pick one or two, one would be glamorous, second would be stylish, what would you personally pick?
I think style. Because glamour is one of those things which I think people get a little carried away with. Style is your personal statement. It's who you are. It's an extension of your personality.
But Imran, I would like to ask you a question, and you yourself would be able to clarify that question, because there were reports that tabloids and people printing that your Ferrari is making too much of noise all around, and that has created too much of nuisance all around your neighborhood.
यार रात के 12 बजे तक मैं सो जाता हूँ. मेरी 8 महीने की बेटी है. I don't have the time to be zipping around in the middle of the night.
Enjoying being fatherhood.
I'm really having so much fun with it now. The first couple of months are obviously very difficult. Once she gets to the 5-month, 6-month age, that's where they become a lot more fun.
Imran, your fans also been eagerly waiting for you, saying that हाँ Imran अभी कुछ धमाका करेंगे, Imran अभी कुछ धमाका करेंगे.
अरे यार मैं शूटिंग कर रहा हूँ, पिक्चर खत्म करके ही रिलीज करेंगे. I promise.
But there is something about that, please.
Right now we're almost done with the film. We've got about 20-25 days of shooting left. I think April तक पिक्चर खत्म हो जाएगी. September में रिलीज हो रही है. I'm having so much fun on this film because I'm working with Kangana for the first time and she's just so wonderful to work with. मैं निखिल अडवाणी के साथ पहली बार काम कर रहा हूँ. He is a great actor, director. So I'm really having a very positive experience on this film.
But Imran, personally, how do you deal with the situation where things have been published or rumors have been published as factual information? So how do you react to the situation?
यार मैं पढ़ता ही नहीं हूँ. अब आप अगर इस इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं, if you're an actor, if you're a producer, anyway, if you're in this kind of a business, you know that people will write things, people will say things. आप उस पर ध्यान नहीं दे सकते हैं. I don't have the time to give any attention there.
So last but not the least, any holy plans you have this year?
Holy plans, yeah, it's Imara's first Holi. So I'm really looking forward to that. I think it's going to be so much fun to have her there. थोड़ी बहुत rangoli, little bit of water balloons and all, we'll get to play with her and introduce her to a family tradition. I'm so excited about that. Hi, मैं हूँ इमरान खान और मेरी तरफ से आप सबको हैप्पी होली. Thank you.
How important is for a person to be glamorous and stylish?
Well, I think that depends on the personality. Style is also a very personality dependent thing. So very important things, glamour and style, especially in the line of work we're in. But it should all come down to who you are as a person and how you like to identify as yourself.
But personally, if you get a chance to choose one would be being glamorous, second would be being stylish. What would you personally?
I think definitely stylish.
Why?
Yeah. I think stylish because again it's my own identity. Glamour is not an identity. Glamour is a tag that's already given to somebody. But style is your own style. You know, I've got my style. Imran has his own style. Somebody else, third person has his own style.
So one more criteria, if you talk about being comfortable or being, trendy, what would you prefer?
I think comfortable for sure. I think it's important to be comfortable and trendy. You can't have one without the other. But I would definitely choose comfort over trend for sure.
Any holy plans you have?
Sorry?
Holy plans?
Holy plans. Just meet some friends, meet some family, have a good time. That's about it.
Lastly, the wishes for the viewers.
Wish you all a very happy Holi and hope you enjoy this Filmfare event.
I think I'm quite excited about it, and I think congratulations to Jitesh, Anuradha and the entire team of Filmfare that they've again come out with something spectacular and very prestigious as always. Like Filmfare is always associated with prestige, so once again in style again I think they're going to have the most prestigious awards.
So, but personally, how important is for a person to be fashionable or be stylish or be glamorous or trendy?
I think we're all in the fashion industry. We're all in the entertainment industry, so fashion and style goes hand in hand with the entertainment industry, so of course it's very important.
So but if you get a chance to choose one out of two, being stylish or being comfortable or being trendy, what would you personally like?
If I was given a chance to be an option to be stylish, trendy or comfortable, I wish I could pick all three, and I think you can manage all three. Yeah, of course you can.
But even the fans have been always eager to know that what's next have been doing it. So tell us something about your upcoming line of projects.
Well, my next film is Fir Se, in which I'm debuting as an actor this time. So, well, that's next. Okay, although I'm dressed very differently, but happy Holi to everybody.
सबसे पहले तो फिल्मफेयर के बारे में जानना चाहिए, स्टाइलिश और ग्लैमर कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे?
Style and glamour, how would I define it? It depends on what you're comfortable in and what you're comfortable wearing in your own style. That's what style and glamour is for me.
Today you are looking very stylish, so tell us about your clothes.
I'm wearing a Harsh dress, and the jewelry is my own.
Your sister is also here. How excited for you the evening tonight? Because being glamorous and stylish, how important for a person was? Would you like to know that?
Well, I'm excited to be here, and your other question was how important is style and glamour? Well, it does help you define yourself, but not to a large extent, I feel, because your personality does that for you. So, yeah.
What changes did you come to your day-to-day life after Shamitabh? Would you like to know that also?
I've grown as a person. I've definitely discovered what kind of actor I can be, and it's helped define me as, to an extent, to what actor I can be. Yeah.
Any holy plans do you have this year?
Yes, if I'm not shooting, then I'm definitely going to play Holi.
What are your wishes here for the viewers?
Here's wishing everyone a happy Holi.
But how important is for a person to be glamorous and stylish? Would be to you?
Of course, very important because जिस फील्ड में हम लोग हैं वहाँ पे तो डेफिनेटली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड इनफैक्ट अगर आप इस फील्ड से नहीं भी हो तब भी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
लेकिन अगर पर्सनली आपको चूज करना पड़े दोनों में से एक, whether being glamorous or being stylish, what would you personally prefer?
Stylist.
And why? What's the answer?
You start there.
I would prefer looking glamorous, and he would prefer stylish, because I think people would want to follow his style, and so that's why he wants to be stylish, and I want to look good and glamorous.
लेकिन और एक क्राइटेरिया में हम बात करें being trendy and being stylish, or being trendy and being comfortable.
I would say comfortable.
Yeah, and experimental.
What are Holi plans this year? Any Holi plans this year?
Not really.
Holi plans?
हाँ, event
we are dancing.
We are earning money.
So wishes for the viewers.
Happy Holi. Hi, this is Debina.
Hi, this is Gurmeet Chaudhary.
Wish all the viewers a very happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Thank you.
Oh, namaskar.
Sir,
Very happy to be here. Some very close friends of mine, Jitesh Pillai, Anuradha from Filmfare. They're having this beautiful awards night and they wanted me to be here for it. So thank you so much for inviting me here.
So you've been on the peak of the endorsement you've been doing with number of musical shows, musical awards, musical functions, sir. So what's next?
What next? Yeah, making music, lots and lots of it.
Only music?
Only music.
There's something hidden also if you would like to share with us.
Nothing is hidden. I'm working on my next single at the moment. After Hanuman Chalisa, which happened 6 months back. Now the new single is going to happen soon. I'm working on an album also, and a few film projects for this year.
Only the Holi wishes for the viewers here. Any plans you have for Holi, sir?
आप सबको होली की शुभकामनाएं. Lots of love. Shekhar Afjani. Thank you.
This is Nachiket Barve. I feel I'm ready for a rock show right now. But because it's Style and Glamour Awards, I thought I could experiment. And yeah, so that's why.
Manasi, कितना important होता है being stylish and glamorous इतना present होना?
I think I love dressing up. So I don't know if it's important per se, like outside, but I really like it, and I'm from the fashion background. So I love trying new things, and I like dressing up, and I like doing all this. So for me, it's very important. I just feel good.
But personally, what would you rather prefer having? Or pick one out of two to be glamorous or stylish? What would you prefer?
Isn't it the same thing? Like when you're stylish, you're also glamorous. I think for me, it's just like.
How to will that change the criteria to be comfortable or being trendy?
Trendy. Just I don't know. I would definitely prefer to look good over being comfortable. I would prefer this if I can look good and comfortable at the same time. But if I have to really choose, then yes, looking good.
Like what's next? Your fans are eagerly waiting. कि हाँ Manashwi.
Yeah. अभी तो कुछ नहीं है. We are talking like I have 2 films with the same production house. That is going to happen somewhere mid this year or end this year. Apart from that, a couple of projects are like in talks, but nothing's like finalized.
Any Holi plans?
I think I will be at the Times Holi party. Okay, I want to wish all you guys a very happy Holi. Thank you.
Tonight I'm wearing Gauri and Nenika, and I think if anybody in our country defines glamour, it's them. So it was just appropriate that I would wear them.
But personally, how important is for a woman or a girl to be stylish or fashionable or glamorous?
I think, firstly, we as women, we love fashion. We love looking good. That is celebrating everything woman. So glamour, fashion, style is very subjective. It's not specific. I don't follow any trends. I think if you feel beautiful, you are beautiful. If you like the way you're looking, that's all that matters.
बॉलीवुड में किसी आप ज़्यादा ग्लैमरस और स्टाइलिश मानते हैं?
कहाँ से? एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस राइट नाउ मुझे कंगना का स्टाइल काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. आई थिंक वो शी इज़ वेरी डेयरिंग और आई थिंक इट हैज़ अ लॉट टू डू विथ हर एटीट्यूड. शी इज़ वेरी बिंदास कि मैं ये पहन रही हूँ तो मैं पहन रही हूँ, अभी जो कहना है बोल दो, यू नो. एंड अमंग द एक्टर्स हुज स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट आई एम लाइकिंग, sorry, among the actors I think there's just one really stylish man who's always been stylish is Jackie Shroff. And in the younger generation, I would have to say they have a long way to go before they touch that.
But if you get a chance to pick one out of two, what would you be, glamorous or being stylish? What would you personally prefer?
I prefer being beautiful in my own eyes. As far as I think, as an actress, I would definitely pick. That's a tongue twister. As an actress, I would definitely pick glamour because you always want to be just the most glamorous.
But like, you know, when you explore yourself so very well, been acting or been production now, so what are the ventured project or production now?
Listen, just because I'm into production and I'm into acting doesn't mean I can't be glamorous.
Who's just saying that you can't do line of projects? Anything?
I can do it all.
But what are holy plans this year?
Holy plans? Well, Holi is right after my birthday, so first I'm going to celebrate my birthday and then I'll see. Thank you.
Actually, glamorous and stylish appeal.
It's very modern. Style and glamour matter for everyone, not even for the stars. The regular person, the style matters. Girls are crazy about style, so it's always matter. Yeah.
Personally, आपको क्या satisfy करता है, being stylish or being glamorous?
I think both. You need both. So when you have a style, you become glamorous. So it depends. Yeah.
But your fans always been eagerly waiting, saying that next, what's next? How do you want to explore yourself when acting or being whatever XYZ season? How was it?
Next is my NST is coming, my film with Anushka Sharma. I'm pretty excited about that, and I'm playing a totally different character. The last I played the decent and very sober guy, and here I'm playing very aggressive and very arrogant. So I'm pretty excited about that, and hope thanks to the audience जिन्होंने हमारा ट्रेलर बहुत पसंद किया, and मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि वो लोग फिल्म भी देखेंगे और फिल्म भी उनको पसंद आएगी.
So what are your holy plans this year? Any holy plans?
होली मैं फ्रेंड्स के साथ सेलिब्रेट करना चाह रहा हूँ. वैसे तो मैं बिजी बहुत प्रमोशंस में हूँ, लेकिन इसके अलावा फ्रेंड्स के साथ छोटी एक पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज की है, इनके साथ एंजॉय करूँगा. हाय, आई एम दर्शन कुमार. विश यू ऑल अ वेरी हैप्पी होली. थैंक यू.
आज मैं नहा के आया हूँ इसलिए. What am I wearing? Perfume wise or clothes wise? Paul Smith, Alexander McQueen शो ऑफ कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा, और जीन्स डोल्चे गबाना. सब भाड़े गए. देखो भाई, स्टाइल इज, आई थिंक जितना आप कुछ अलग करो, डिफरेंट करो, वही स्टाइल बन जाता है. समटाइम्स वेयरिंग ऑफ क्लोथ्स एंड बैड क्लोथ्स ऑल्सो बिकम्स अ स्टाइल बाय इटसेल्फ, और लोग रिडिक्यूल करते हैं और हंसते हैं. बट आई फील कपड़े अगर आप पहनते हो तो वेयर इट फॉर योर सेल्फ. इफ यू फील गुड, यू फील हैप्पी, आई थिंक इट्स द बेस्ट.
लेकिन क्या ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है सर, कंफर्टेबल और बीइंग ट्रेंडी?
सॉरी,
सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी क्या होता है?
वेल जैसे ना बोलते हैं फैशन किल वुमेन. लॉट ऑफ वुमेन कभी कभी ठंड में मर जाते हैं बिकॉज दे वांट टू वेयर वेरी लिटिल क्लोथ्स. सो आई थिंक इट शुड बी अ मिक्स ऑफ बोथ. आई थिंक इट्स बेटर टू बी ट्रेंडी. कंफर्टेबल यू कैन बी एट होम, बट इफ यू गो आउट यू शुड बी ट्रेंडी.
सर बट लेकिन जो आपने बेंचमार्क सेट किया सर बॉलीवुड में, वो सब्जी सर फ्रॉम अपना सपना मनी.
वो सब्जी.
बट इवन नाउ पीपल वो सब्जी. सो व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट लाइक दैट?
एंड आखिरी पास्ता.
लेकिन ऐसा कुछ और देखने मिलेगा सर आपसे?
बहुत जल्दी, इसलिए मैंने दाढ़ी रखी है. यू विल बी सीइंग मी इन अ very cruel role. About the role, I am under sworn contract. Holi के plans तो हमेशा colourful ही रहते हैं, and hopefully this year I should be going to Goa to play Holi.
So wishes sir.
Happy Holi आप सबको from Chunky Pandey. May your life be as colourful as you play Holi this year. Thank you.
लेकिन कितना important होता है एक इंडिविजुअल के लिए ग्लैमरस दिखना या स्टाइलिश दिखना या फिर फैशनेबल दिखना?
आई थिंक इम्पोर्टेंट तो बस आपका कॉन्फिडेंस है, जितना आप कौन से कपड़े में आप कितने कॉन्फिडेंट लग रहे हो, कितने आप नेचुरली फिट इन कर रहे हो. इट्स नॉट अबाउट फैशन, इट्स जस्ट अबाउट कॉन्फिडेंस. सो आई थिंक अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो तो आप कोई भी कपड़े पे अच्छे लगते हो. प्लान्स अभी तक तो नहीं बनाए, लेकिन आई एम श्योरली गोना प्ले होली दिस टाइम एंड आई थिंक सेट पे ही होने वाला है प्यार का पंचनामा की होली. A very happy Holi to all of you, all the fans here, and सबको रंग लगाइए, खुद को भी रंग लगाइए और खूब जम के होली खेलिए. थैंक यू.
I'm wearing a dress from Iconic and jewelry from Neha Lula.
But how important is for a person to be glamorous at the end or being stylish at the end of the day?
How important it is? Well, I truly believe that if you want to, you know, we all have the different kind of interests in, you know, and also we all have the different opinion in what we feel is glamorous or, you know, stylish and all. So I mean, I feel it all depends on yourself, you know, how much into it you want to be or not, you know. So yeah, I don't think it's very much important in your life. It's just something, I think in the kind of industry we are in, it's something that we naturally tend to like, you know. We like to dress up and, you know, go the red carpets, and I think that will be glamorous. Why? Because I like being glamorous. As simple as that.
But if we change the criteria, saying that being comfortable or being trendy, what would you do?
To be honest, I would actually say being comfortable. The reason is also because I don't consider myself that I'm very good in, you know, in fashion or like that. I really admire people or like you have like Sonam Kapoor. She's so amazing. She's so good. She really knows, you know, what to pick and what to combine. But I myself am not that very good in it. So I think that's why I'm more like a, you know, comfy kind of girl. But of course, I love it, you know, if someone dresses me up and styles me and, you know, make me look glamorous, you know.
How is the shoot at Gujarat being with Abbas Mastan couple and all praising about it?
We were in Rajasthan and it was so beautiful there. Actually, I'm so happy that I finally got to go to Rajasthan, and yeah, we had a great time, and yeah, so it was great. Sorry?
Holy plans?
Holy plans, yes, I'm gonna perform on Live OK, so don't miss me there. I wish you all a happy Holi.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So excited for the evening tonight, post your film representing Glamour and Style Awards.
Yeah, I am. How am I looking?
So outstanding, there's no doubt in it.
Outstanding.
Handsome as always, sir.
Thank you.
Lekin how important is for a person to be glamorous or stylish at the end of the day?
Well, it's important for a person to be stylish. You want to look good. When you walk into a room, you want everyone to look at you and, you know, you feel good. It's confidence, boosts your ego a bit. So it's important to be stylish and to look good.
So not ego, that is a personality that a person can produce confidence, that is an internal beauty. So what about the external beauty that you are presenting through the clothes or communication?
You gotta marry the two. You gotta be confident about yourself and wear clothes that look good on you, which is very important because ultimately people are going to see you in your clothes on.
So Bollywood
To start with.
So Bollywood में आपको सबसे stylish कौन लगता है? या फिर fashion में कौन लगता है? Actor और actress को लेकर?
Bollywood में मेरे ख्याल से Saif Ali Khan बहुत stylish है. He's got that old Nawabi style, you know, so the way he carries himself and the clothes he wears is very stylish.
And actress?
I like Deepika actually. वैसे तो बहुत खूबसूरत है और जिस तरह वो जब वो बाहर जाती है फंक्शन इवेंट्स के लिए, she styles herself really well.
But I've been repeatedly answering this question to you again and again, sir. Your fans have been honestly eagerly waiting for you to come on closer.
I'm also waiting for myself to come. I'm looking to do any good films actually. काफ़ी लोग ने काफ़ी लोगों ने सोचा कि यार मैं प्रोड्यूसर बन गया तो इसलिए एक्टिंग छोड़ दिया, मगर वो तो वाकई सच नहीं है। असलियत तो ये है, आई एम लुकिंग फॉर सम गुड मूवीज। नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं, एक्टिंग वैसे मेरा जो पैशन है तो इसके पीछे भी उस पर ध्यान दे रहा हूँ एंड होप समथिंग गुड हैपेंस। हाय व्यूअर्स, विश यू ऑल अ वेरी हैप्पी होली। दिस इज डीनो मोरेरा। Okay, thank you.
I'm wearing Hema Call.
How important is for a person to be stylish and fashionable and glamorous at the end of the day?
You also bother about your style, na? So we don't have to. We don't have a choice.
But if you get a chance to choose one out of two, being glamorous or being stylish, what would you personally differentiate?
I think if you're stylish, you'd just naturally be glamorous as well. And glamorous is a very misused word. People think you thopo makeup, you wear like blingy clothes and then you're glamorous. You can wear the simplest clothes and be very glamorous even in
those. More, to change the criteria and saying that you're being trendy or being comfortable. Personally,
I think if you're comfortable and you enjoy what you wear, you'll be trendy. Isn't everyone saying that?
बॉलीवुड में से आपको कौन ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश और ग्लैमरस लगता है, एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस?
एक्टर्स और एक्ट्रेसेस में से I think Deepika Padukone dresses really well, Kangana dresses really well, Sonam of course dresses really well. Actors में से I think Farhan Akhtar is really cool. I think Saqib is a really good dresser.
You also been dressed very well on the award function.
Thank you. Thank you.
What about the day before yesterday for musical award function?
Yeah, you were there. It was fun. I enjoyed it. It was great fun.
When are we going to see you performing on stage, saying that you've been ventured with some functions?
You know, actually this year I've been shooting and I've been out. But I missed sari award functions. I've missed. So this is why I'm like, I said this I have to be here at least for this.
So you've been working hard for shooting that.
Yeah.
For that also been working with venture and with
I've been working on Guddu Rangila, Wazir, various films. You know what they are.
Okay. Anything that wishes for the viewers for?
I'd like to wish you all a very happy Holi because Holi is coming up soon.
Okay, when you are
Roberto Cavalli.
How important is for a person to be stylish, fashionable, or being glamorous at the end of the event, presenting from the event function or a fixed venue?
I think it's important to be stylish and fun because I think आजकल तो वैसे भी अभी I think लोग ज़्यादा स्टाइल और फैशन पे concentrate ही कर रहे हैं. But it's nice, but I think it lies in the attitude more than anything else.
But personally, what do you prefer, being stylish or being glamorous at the end of the event?
Well, I love being glamorous, and I'm here tonight because I am glamorous. इसलिए वो लोग मुझे ग्लैमरस का अवार्ड दे रहे हैं. मुझे अच्छा लगता है जब लोग बोलते हैं कि ग्लैमरस है. I think it's a compliment.
But the tabloids and the broadsheets printing reports all about saying that you Uttar Punjab में ये आ गया, वो आ गया. You also will be clarifying much way better when anyone else is getting it. So tell us something about faction talks about that. What is it?
Well, actually मैंने कभी किसी चीज़ पे को क्लैरिफाई या जस्टिफाई करने की कोशिश नहीं की और आज भी मैं नहीं करूँगी. और ये मौका स्टाइल और फैशन के बारे में है तो हम उसके बारे में बात करें. नो आई डोंट. 15 साल से इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रही हूँ, फिल्म फैमिली में जन्म लिया है. आई नो हाउ टू डील विद इट. Well, I think it's important to be stylish and classic and elegant. Styling will never go out of fashion.
कोई changes ऐसा जिससे आप काफी टाइम से इंडस्ट्री चल रही है, कोई changes स्टाइल हम साथ में ट्रेंड पे और आप
एक्चुअली पता नहीं क्योंकि मैं किसी ट्रेंड्स को फॉलो नहीं करती हूँ. And I think it's nice to just wear something that is comfortable, what you kind of feel happy in. I think that is very stylish.
बॉलीवुड में से आप किसी ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश और ग्लैमरस मानते हैं एक्टर और लास्ट क्वेश्चन?
बहुत सारे हैं और आजकल सब अपने स्टाइल और फैशन पे कंसंट्रेट कर रहे हैं.
How Bajrangi Bhaijaan shaping up because there was selfies out saying that कि हम दिल्ली में शूट कर रहे थे, you were shooting in Henderson, you were shooting all across India. How was it? Hotel also you are shooting.
yes, we are looking forward to going to Kashmir. हम लोग अगले महीने कश्मीर जा रहे हैं शूट के लिए. पिक्चर ईद पे लग रही है, सलमान के साथ बॉडीगार्ड के बाद आ रही हूँ. तो आई थिंक अपने फैंस वैसे भी बहुत ही एक्साइटेड एंड आई एम श्योर इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ बिग वन.
I'm really glad that Filmfare came up with this event because it is really great to celebrate this kind of, it is as important as movies.
But you've been the queen icon of stylish icon, and his next to you.
She's the best, isn't she?
Come on.
But how important for a person to be stylish, how glamorous at the end of the day when he's presenting for them?
Well, I think feeling good, feeling beautiful is truly beautiful. So I think style is also very subjective. But you know what? After all the film awards, it's really nice that they're having a glamour and style awards. It feels refreshing. So I think tonight is going to be a fun night.
Sridhar, how do you, what do you rather personally prefer saying that if you get a chance to pick one out of two, one be glamorous, second being stylish, what would you personally prefer?
Well, both is very important.
But
for me, fashion is like being comfortable and confident.
Sridhar, how much do you think that Indian women and the same sort of style has changed from film and from time?
I think she is the epitome of Indian beauty and Indian woman, because I think an Indian woman looks good in Western clothes, in Indian clothes, carries everything in style.
Same sort of style has changed.
It's definitely more evolved, and I think today's women look beautiful. Thanks to them. No, nothing like that. I mean, they are just so evolved.
Because Developers and Rothschild have been printing saying that they will be soon, Janhvi will be debuting with you in a movie. Is it like that?
So kind, thank you. So, Gauri and Annika and Dior Accessories.
But how important for a person to be stylish and fashionable and glamorous at the end of the day?
You know what? That was really scary. I didn't know that it was that important until these last couple of years. I've discovered that it is important, and I'm kind of liking it. It's fun. I think not only is it important, but it's fun. You know.
But your Bollywood fans are eagerly waiting to know that what's next, what have been mentioned with.
Yes, some things next. A few things are next. They have to wait till the end of the year. Good things come to those who wait, right? I think so. Yeah. Olga. Oh yeah, happy Holi everyone. I hope I'm going to get to participate. So have a great, happy Holi and a safe Holi.
Very excited. It's, I think, the first for Filmfare, and I think honoring glamour and style is a wonderful idea. And we're really excited to be here at the first event that Filmfare has done in the zone of fashion.
But the fire that you invented in India, in the fans' hearts and brains, that is not going to be done that soon.
I'm here for Filmfare. I'm not here to comment on anything else. No, I'm really sorry. I'm purely here for Filmfare, and I'm here for the night of glamour, and I don't want to talk about it.
How important is it for a person to be glamorous?
Well, it's a really big part of our job. It's what, like, not me per se, I'm a filmmaker. It's a really big prerequisite for the talent in the country, for actors, actresses, and I think it's for them to look good is a big part of their job, and I'm glad that there's a platform to honor it tonight.
According to you, is the most stylish and glamorous actor and actress in Bollywood?
Well, undoubtedly Mr. Bachchan for me will be the epitome and king of glamour, always. I think Sonam is amazing, and she's a trendsetter and has quite started red carpet fashion in this country. Sorry? Well, and there's a right time for everything. Yes, thank you. Well, hi, this is me, Karan, for wishing everyone a really happy Holi. Keep the color as bright as it should be.
I think it's very important to be comfortable with whatever you wear, and I think style is something which is very personal. I think you shouldn't run behind any sort of trends, but yeah, it's always good to look nice. It's always good when people look at you. So. Oh yes, pretty soon. Lots of exciting things happening. So yeah, lots of exciting announcements very soon. Oh yes, hi, this is Diksha Seth wishing all of you a very, very rangeen Holi. Have lots of fun. Don't have too much bhang and enjoy. It's not like the end of the world, but it's nice to have a sense of style, and I think your sense of style defines you, and some people have it naturally, some people cultivate it, and it's nice.
You're saying that Heather will be all across everywhere. So what's next after Heather? People are just want to know that.
Well, I'm doing a film called Drishyam with Ajay Devgan and another untitled film. So 2 films this year. And wishing all the viewers a very, very happy and safe Holi. Well, I think it's very, very important, and I think we live in a country which is very, very fashion conscious. So I think it's very important for me. It is. Yes.
You're back in the show very soon. Any Holi plan the same?
I don't think I'm in the country. I'm going to miss it, but I love Holi. So I wish everyone a very, very happy Holi, and guys, be safe and have a very happy Holi. Thank you. Hi.
Thank you. I'm wearing Isabel Sanchez and Anmol Jewelers.
But the fire that have enlightened all across India saying that Alia is very intelligent. How is it about you? Alia is to be very intelligent nowadays.
हाँ वो लोग कह रहे हैं मैं मना नहीं करती हूँ. What should I say?
Right. But Alia, you might be knowing that people are just want to know what happened to the viral video that you've been circulated everywhere on social media.
We tried to do this. Are we talking about glamour today? Are we talking about viral videos? You were asking one question about glamour.
How do you deal with the situation where news have been printed saying that you have an affair with the co-star or the person?
I deal with them like everybody deals with them by staying silent. स्टाइल और ग्लैमर की डेफिनेशन मेरे लिए आई थिंक सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है कंफर्टेबल होना. अगर आप कुछ ज़्यादा कोशिश करते हो तो वो स्टाइल और ग्लैमर मिस हो जाता है. सो फॉर मी इट्स अबाउट बीइंग कंफर्टेबल ऑफ कोर्स टेकिंग सम रिस्क्स एट टाइम्स. आई थिंक ऑनेस्टली जिसकी वजह से ये सब शुरू हुआ है मैं मानती हूँ इस सोनम. ग्लैमर और रेड कार्पेट का स्टाइल आई थिंक उसने ही रीडिफाइन किया है. सो दैट समबडी सोनम इज समबडी आई रियली लुक अप टू. और एक्टर आई थिंक मिस्टर बच्चन दिस इज वेरी वेरी वेल. अभी मार्च में शुरू करें. विशिंग यू ऑल द व्यूअर्स वेरी वेरी हैप्पी होली. प्लीज बी सेफ, मजे कीजिए, बट प्लीज लोगों को हार्म मत कीजिए. Yes, very excited.
How important is for a person to be glamorous, stylish, and fashionable at the end of the day?
I think it's a very, very important part of being in the entertainment industry.
I think it's a must.
Yes, you have to be glamorous.
Then if you get a chance to choose one or two, one would you be trendy, second would you be comfortable, what would you personally
Be trendy or be comfortable?
Yeah.
Be trendy.
You are always that though.
Yeah,
so.
be trendy for sure.
Glamour and style. What is your definition to glamour and style?
I think that it is a direct reflection of who you are and what you stand for, and
how you want people to view you.
Exactly, and we're in the entertainment industry, and we should be glamorous and beautiful and dressed up and feel great every single day.
But Sunny, let me tell you, let me probably say that you've been giving very tough competition to Bollywood actors. You're in present. Yes, yeah, for the moment. Next would be Ek Mahili Leela. Tell something about that, please.
Well, today we just had the release of our second song, Tere Bin. So it's one of my favorite songs of the movie. I'm waiting for the female version to come out. I hope people love the movie. We have
have a song every single week until the release of this movie.
But apart from being sarcastic but dramatic, we did have factual answer out of you saying that you won't be fan competition in Bollywood as the actress is concerned.
You don't think of it like that, you know?
Honestly, I don't see
Plenty of room for everybody.
Yeah, competition. I think that if anything, I would be my own biggest competitor because I always want to do better. The next time that I'm out, or the next movie, or the next song, whatever it is. So I think I would be my biggest competition.
But whom do you find fashionable or trendy when Bollywood actor or actress is concerned?
I think Kangana is pretty fashion forward. I think Priyanka is always very fashion forward. She's always in great shape, so whatever she's wearing, it looks always amazing.
An actor?
An actor? That's a difficult one.
I would probably say Ranveer.
Ranveer.
And sometimes Hrithik.
That was going to say Hrithik.
Yeah, Hrithik.
When he dresses up, he looks really good.
Perfect, a very good one. Any Holi plans this year?
We are going to be celebrating with Zoom this year, Zoom Holi Party.
Yes.
Thank you. What wishes here for the
To all the viewers out there, happy Holi, be safe, play with colors or play with water instead of colors this year.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I think that's pretty much the name of this show right now. So it's extreme for tonight. It's extremely important to be our glamorous and our stylish best.
From Bollywood, which actor do you find me like most fashionable, or an actress? Like to name some?
I think Hrithik Roshan is extremely fashionable and sexy. Even Akshay Kumar actually is quite fashionable.
An actress?
Actress, I think Deepika Padukone and Kangana Ranaut is extremely good.
Any Holi plans do you have this year?
This year will be a quiet Holi since I lost my grandmother, so I should be not celebrating this year.
Line of project would you like to speak about?
Well, actually, the next project that I have lined up is under that Productions, Hasmukh Pighal Gaya. So just let's hope and pray for him. And yes, looking forward. Thank you. Well, I hope all of you have a very stylish and a very happy year. Thank you so much.
Yeah, very, very excited. This is the first time Filmfare is doing the Style Awards, and of course we know who the style icon is, but yeah, looking forward to it really. I think Kangana and Sonam are at par. I think they're stunning and they dress really well. They carry themselves really well. Yeah, for me, both them.
Speak about actors then?
Sorry?
Actors?
Saif Ali Khan, I think he dresses really well, very suave. Ranbir Kapoor, Ranveer Singh, Shahid Kapoor, I think they're all fantastic.
So personally, if you get a chance to choose one, or pick one out of two, one would be being glamorous or being stylish, what would you personally do?
I would say stylish.
Why?
I think once you're stylish, you'll be glam any which ways.
But your fans also be desperately and eagerly waiting for you to come on to say that, what's next? So tell us something about
I have Shandar coming up this year. It's on 4th or 5th of September, I guess. And then I have another thriller that I start shooting in April sometime.
So how's the experience working with your co-star Shahid, Bobby, Alia, everyone on the floor?
Oh, it's been fantastic. It's a great team, all youngsters on the set, and we had a blast for 2 months in UK. And yeah, just had a wonderful experience.
Any Holi plans you have this year?
Any Holi plans? No, nothing as of now.
Only the wishes for this.
Hello everybody, this is Anjana Sukhani wishing everyone a very, very happy Holi. Enjoy.
How are you?
Whoever has spoken has only spoken for Sonam and Kangana being more stylish and glamorous by actors in Bollywood. Do you agree with it?
I think that's very complimentary, and I think everybody's beautiful and dresses very beautifully.
But what tips would you like to share with the fans and viewers you have at the moment? How do they
It's important to be yourself and express yourself through your clothes.
But personally, if you get a chance to choose one out of them, one would be glamorous, second would be stylish. What would you personally prefer?
I would be what?
One would be glamorous, second would be stylish. What would you prefer?
Stylish.
Why?
Because style is inherent, glamour can be created.
बॉलीवुड में से किसे आप स्टाइलिश और ग्लैमरस मानते हैं, एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस?
आई थिंक सबकी इंडिविजुअल एक वॉइस है और सब बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगते हैं.
So, after your Tolly people are secretly meeting your what's next, what is Gonna do? So tell us something about that.
I'm doing this film called Prem Ratan Dhan Payo with Salman Khan and Suraj Bajratia, and the other two films that I've signed, I'm not at liberty to speak about.
So how's your experience working with Salman in
Gondar? Yeah, amazing. It's he's an amazing. Hi. Sorry. It's amazing. It's amazing working.
Only time you want to say?
I'm working. Very happy Holi to everybody.
Thank you.
बहुत अच्छी बात है. हम सब तैयार होके आए हैं, नहा धो के आए हैं, जले लगाए बालों में, एंड वी एक्सपेक्टिंग अ गुड नाइट है.
अच्छा, आपके लिए ग्लैमर और स्टाइल की डेफिनेशन क्या है और किस तरह से आप ड्रेस अप करते हैं और कौन सी स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट को फॉलो करते हैं?
आई डोंट थिंक कोई किसी भी स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट को फॉलो करता है. सब अपना एक पर्सनल स्टाइल बनाते हैं और वही मैं भी करता हूँ. आई ट्राई एंड ड्रेस अप एज पर माई एज, एज हाउ आई लुक. That's it. Yeah. Just keep it simple. Be comfortable in what you're doing. I think that's style.
अच्छा, बॉलीवुड में अगर आपको कहा जाए कि सबसे ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश और ग्लैमरस कौन है, एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस, तो
I think Kareena Kapoor is very stylish and Shah Rukh Khan.
और आखिर में जानना चाहूँगा आपके अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में.
I'm doing the official remake of Oculus with me and Uma doing that film together. Then we are working on the sequel of Mere Dad Ki Maan.
अभी होली आने वाली है, तो कुछ प्लान है आपके?
मैं जा रहा हूँ छुट्टी पे अपने मॉम डैड उमा के साथ, तो जब जाऊँगा तो होली निकल जाएगी पीछे. Okay, everybody watching, wish you a very, very, very happy and prosperous Holi. Thank you.
Thank you.
जाएंगे तो पता चलेगा.
सर, लेकिन जिससे भी कहा सबसे फैशनेबल एक्टर बॉलीवुड में कोई भी हो या इंडियन सिनेमा में हो, इस अमिताभ बच्चन से डू एग्री?
बहुत झूठ बोल रहे हो.
अकॉर्डिंग टू यू इज
नाइट है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे ग्लैमर और स्टाइलिश?
पता नहीं क्या बोलूँ. स्टाइल इज समथिंग यू कांट वेयर इन द मॉर्निंग. सब अपना अपना एटीट्यूड लाते हैं, उसी के बारे में पूरा अवार्ड शो. आई थिंक दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड फंक्शन.
अच्छा, आपके लिए स्टाइल और ग्लैमर की डेफिनेशन क्या है और कैसे फॉलो करते हैं, कौन सा स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट फॉलो करते हैं?
आई थिंक हम लोग एज एक्टर्स, हम लोग का स्टेटमेंट होता है हर फ्राइडे बदलता है. हमारी फिल्म हमारा स्टेटमेंट है, एंड आई थिंक जिस शिद्दत से हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, यू नो दैट्स माई स्टाइल, माई नेक्स्ट फिल्म.
बॉलीवुड एक्टर में से किसे स्टाइलिश और ग्लैमरस मानते हैं, एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस?
I think Sridevi, you know, she's Lajawab, and Madhuri, because I've just and guys I don't know, Rajesh Khanna. Just don't stalk people around with dolaks in your hand. Play Holi, have fun.
Okay,
wishing you guys a very very happy Holi. Play safe Holi. ज़्यादा पक्के रंग मत यूज़ करिएगा, लोगों को हार्म कर सकते हैं, लड़कियों को मत छेड़िएगा. Just have fun. Yeah.
Thank you. पहले तो बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रहे हो।
थैंक यू।
और इस क्लोथ के बारे में भी जानना चाहेंगे, किसने डिज़ाइन किया है?
कार्बन मार्क वाल्वो इज अमेरिकन डिज़ाइनर, तो उनका गाउन है।
अच्छा, आज की नाइट के लिए कितना एक्साइटेड हो? ग्लैमर एंड स्टाइल।
या इज़ वेरी एक्साइटेड, क्योंकि ग्लैमर और स्टाइल ये पार्ट ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री है। आप फिल्मों में काम करो या म्यूज़िक इंडस्ट्री में हो, दैट्स ऑलवेज अ पार्ट ऑफ हु यू आर। और बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री आर गोइंग टू बी हियर, तो मज़ा आएगा।
अच्छा, अगर एक चीज़ चुनने के लिए कहा जाए ग्लैमर और स्टाइल, तो आप क्या चुनना पसंद करेंगे और क्यों?
बस दोनों ही बहुत अहम होते हैं। उसके साथ साथ टैलेंट भी होना चाहिए, एक्टिंग भी होना चाहिए, सब कुछ। इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एवरीथिंग पुट टुगेदर।
अच्छा, बॉलीवुड में कोई अभिनेता और अभिनेत्री जो आपको स्टाइलिश और ग्लैमरस करते हैं?
रेखा जी हैं जो बहुत ग्लैमरस है, शी इज़ वेरी स्टाइलिश। न्यूकमर्स में सोनम कपूर, हु इज़ कैरीज herself beautifully. प्रियंका चोपड़ा, who does the same. Actor में there is रणबीर कपूर, there is Ayushmann, who is very good.
अच्छा, आखिरी सवाल जानना चाहेंगे, और होली आने वाली है, कुछ प्लान है आपके? और
बस फिलहाल तो कुछ नहीं, आई एम जस्ट हियर टू एंजॉय दिस।
थैंक यू।
Thank you. Well, I'm wearing Amit Agarwal tonight, and well, what can I say? I just tried this dress on; it was perfect. It was absolutely perfect.
Okay. Glamour and style. What do you prefer in your personal life?
I think glamour and style for me is just a little extension of your own personality, your own individuality. So it's a little extension of who you are. You know, whatever you wear, you carry it off as just as glamorously and sexily and stylishly, and that's about it.
According to you, in Bollywood, what is the best personality in terms of glamour and style?
Actor and actress. Oh boy, I think Kareena. I think Kareena's got this beautiful presence about her. You know. Well, she's an. Oh, you mean male actors? Okay. Maybe Hrithik.
Why Hrithik?
I don't know. There's so many. Of course, honestly, I don't pay a lot of attention to the male actors. I mean, the women team seem to be the most stylish ones, so you know.
अच्छा, अगर आपको कहा जाए कि स्टाइल और ग्लैमर में से कोई एक चीज़ चाहिए, तो आप कौन सी चुनेंगे?
I think style. I think style is more individual. You know, सबकी style अलग होती है. It's like I said, it's just extension of your own personality. So I think style. Glamour sort of comes with whatever you're wearing.
अच्छा, फिल्म के बारे में बात करते हैं, तो फिल्म कौन सी आने वाली है आपकी? कुछ पाइपलाइन में?
Right now, in fact, no. I'm taking a little bit of a break. I want to try something different. You know, I mean, 4 फिल्म हो गई है, तो deciding what to do just yet.
अच्छा, होली आने वाली है, तो क्या कुछ प्लान कर रहे हैं आप?
I've never actually played Holi, you know, so maybe this time will be a first. I don't know. Most of the time, though, I stay inside. बहुत डर लगता है, with ना color and all of it that they do is a bit scary.
Any wishes for viewers?
Well, yes, of course. Everyone, I hope you have a happy Holi, a safe Holi. Be safe. Play with, you know, safe colors, organic colors is that what you call it, but safe colors. Just be safe and play healthily. You know, don't get in anyone's way. Yes, thank you.
अच्छा लगता है जब when you're always given an award, but I think ये award बहुत ही special है क्योंकि पहली बार फिल्म फेयर स्टाइल और ग्लैमर अवार्ड्स कर रहे हैं। पहले जब फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड्स परफॉर्मेंस के लिए जीता था, and for the first time this is style and glamour, so I'm really happy. Thank you.
So how excited are you for glamour, fashion, style, all together for Times Filmfare Award?
Very excited because I think all girls get excited when it comes to fashion and glamour, so I'm like every other girl.
But apart from this, how important for this person to get themselves stylish or presentable in front of people or being glamorous at the end of the day?
I think it's just important to have a lot of confidence in yourself and also to believe in yourself, and I think it's well to have fun, you know.
Exactly, that would be considered as the internal personality of a human body, but what about the external one? How would you present that?
How would I present that? My external?
Apart from you, not personally, generally.
I think you just have to be yourself. That's the most important thing, and you just have to let your personality shine. That's very important.
तो Bollywood में आप किसे सबसे ज़्यादा stylish और fashionable मानते हैं?
You know what I'm gonna say. Glamour and style. I think style comes from within, and glamour comes as a package. Yeah.
Thank you.
Brothers. I'm wearing Rajat Ketanji gown.
अच्छा, आज के लिए कितना excited हो? आज की नाइट के लिए ग्लैमर और स्टाइल की नाइट है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे, कितने excited है?
Well, I'm really excited because as we all know, for past 60 years, Filmfare has been honoring the actor and actresses or the superstars for their excellence in acting. But I feel stardom has, an actor has more than that, more than the superlative acting abilities. It has a lot of, they have a lot of style, they have a lot of glamour, and they have a lot of, what do we call, aura. So that is something I think, and that is why we are here for the Siroc Filmfare Glamour and Style Awards to celebrate the glamour.
So how do you differentiate? How do you differentiate glamour and style?
Well, it is. I think for me, it's both terms are quite similar. Style is something which is we have internally. Like everybody has their own style. Like Amitabh Bachchan, if you take his name, he has his own style. And if you take Madhuri Dixit, she has her own style. So they all the actors, they have their something very, very different about themselves. So that is what I feel, that Filmfare Style and Glamour and Style Awards is all about celebrating glamour, celebrating the aura, the style.
If you want to choose between glamour and style, what would you?
I think style, because style is something very personal. Each and every individual, each and every actor has his own style. So I think style is more important, and every person should have his or her personal style.
Do you think that women and sense of style of women has changed from films and from time to time?
Well, you know what? As we all know, the shape of the earth is round.
Yeah.
So even the circulation keeps on happening. As you can see, my look today is inspired by Audrey Hepburn. So it is something like style is something which keeps on revolving all the time, and it's something like that. It keeps on evolving.
it's something which keeps on coming all the time, again and again.
What's your upcoming project?
Okay, I signed 3-movie deal with T-Series. So my first film is a Hindi passionate love story, which the name was Sanam Re, which is directed by Divya Khosla Kumar. And I'm also shooting for one more film, which is with Tips. Kumar Taurani is producing it. And I'm also shooting for my South Indian film, which is my South debut, opposite South superstar Darshan to repeat.
Okay, this time, how are you celebrating Holi festivals? Do you celebrate?
For sure, I always celebrate all the festivals.
Any wishes for viewers?
Yeah, okay. To all the viewers out here, I would like to wish you a very happy and prosperous Holi.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
काफ़ी
फॉर्मल माहौल था, ब्लैक टाई इवेंट था और मज़े आए, बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत सारे प्राइजेस मिले, ऑल वेल डिजर्व्ड एंड ऑलवेज गुड टू बी एट अ स्टाइल फंक्शन बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विद देयर लुक्स, सो गुड फन.
आपके ड्रेस की बात करें तो काफ़ी खूबसूरत लग रहा है ड्रेस, तो उसके बारे में
Has he come now? Have you come now?
सबसे पहले जो अंदर जाके आए वो कैसा माहौल है अंदर का?
It's great to see everybody. It was fabulous to see Mr. Bachchan after a long time. And of course Aki and UV and everybody else. It was nice.
How important is for a person to be fashionable, stylish and glamorous at the end of the day when he's presenting himself or herself in front of someone?
Well, it's important to be fashionable and stylish, but I think you wear the style should not wear you, and as long as you're comfortable and it eventually defines who you are, and it's great whatever you wear.
But personally, if you get a chance to choose one or two, one would be fashionable or stylish, what would you personally prefer?
Stylish.
And why?
Because style is an attitude. Fashion is more related to clothes. Style is, I don't know, sometimes you can be wearing simple jeans and a white t-shirt or something very simple, but that style that you have within you inherent is something completely different to having clothes to make you feel better or look better, if that makes sense.
But personally, on behalf of media, I would like to thank you for one thing that you have been very media friendly nowadays.
Am I?
Yeah, I'm not out there.
Really?
It's very difficult to find you strictly was it?
That's because I've been traveling, but now I'm back. I'm back in India, so I'm going to be here.
I'm so sorry. Apart from the life that you have been in front of social media or the media, what would you clarify on the point?
I don't like to clarify anything. I'm very happy.